my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing really well. I hope your January got off to a really good start. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm going on a little trip. I'm having a long weekend in Cologne in Germany. One of my brothers moved out there a few months ago, so we're going to see him. I'm just on like a family trip with my parents. But yeah, today is day one of the trip. Today we're actually traveling there. I'm currently in a travel lodge in Cross. I just wanted to show you the view because I'm on the top floor, like the 5th floor, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Bit of a sunrise situation, so yeah, I'll show you the view. I'm not usually one for a city view, but to be fair, this, I feel like it's not really showing up on camera. That's really annoying. Okay, it's definitely not showing up on camera properly, but it's so orangey in person. That's so weird that it's not showing up. So plan for today is get up, get ready. We're gonna go down to St Pancras to get the Eurostar. Our Eurostar is at 11, but we have to get there like 2 hours early, so really excited. We're getting the Eurostar to Brussels, and then we just change and get like a German like high-speed train to Cologne. It's gonna be like a long day of traveling and trains. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll speak to you when I'm at the station. Since the moment I woke up, really. Feel a bit ill, feel a bit headachy, a bit travel sick, but I'm in my hotel room in Cologne and it's so nice. We went out for dinner, went for a couple of drinks, went for a walk around the city. I was gonna say town, but it's very much a city. Saw the River Rhine and like all the bridges and stuff, so I had a nice little explore. Then tomorrow is going to be like the main day where we actually like go around stuff and like explore and go in shops and stuff. But I'm in my hotel room in Cologne and I just wanted to show you because it's such a nice hotel room. So you come in the door and you are met with these beautiful curtains. I know what you're thinking about this statue. It does kind of look weird, but it's to do with like the history of Cologne. So anyway, huge bed, nice TV, loads and loads of storage, got my case under there, then there's a full-length mirror, and you've got a hairdryer, a cup of tea, like a kettle and everything, safe, and a fridge, which is amazing. We just stopped off at the shop and I got some orange juice and some like flavoured water for tomorrow, and then like lampshade either side, and look how cool these lights are, the way you just literally tap and they're on. Huge bed, and then this is my favourite part, the sliding door. So this is a bathroom, amazing. Like I feel like it just doesn't show on camera, but it's literally just a huge space, and you just like literally just a walk-in shower, and yeah, so much space. Can't wait to shower in the morning. Huge mirror, huge mirror. I've already got all my stuff out, but yeah. Another little mirror there. Very happy with this hotel room, but there's just nothing better than a nice hotel room, especially when you've been traveling for ages. Like, very tired, I'll sleep well tonight, but yeah, beautiful bathroom. So the plan for tomorrow is we're gonna have a bit of a like museum day, explore day. We just really want to like explore and just see everything, and my brother lives in Germany, so he is really good with the language. If you haven't watched like my other videos, if you're new here, I'm celiac, so I have to have gluten-free food. So that's fine, even in England actually it's a struggle. You go abroad and it's like, do you have anything gluten-free, and they look at you like what the hell are you? What's gluten-free? Yeah, we literally walked past like 5 different restaurants, and my brother asked them in German, like, do you have anything gluten-free? And they kind of looked a bit like, are you an idiot? Like, what are you doing? And then yeah, 5 restaurants said either no or just salad. That's it. Like, that's it. Did a bit of googling and found a little Italian restaurant. So we've come to Germany to eat some pasta. So yeah, forward to tomorrow. I'm just so knackered. I can't wait to get in this massive bed with this weird thing. But yeah, the hotel's really, really nice. It's like quite a small hotel, but it's so nice. Like all the rooms are really nice. So yeah, I'll try and remember to like put all the details below of like where we're staying, where we're going and everything. So yeah, I can't wait to collapse in bed with the weird like statue thing and literally just have the best night's sleep. So yeah, see you in the morning. Morning guys, it's Saturday and I've just finished getting ready. I was going to film my like makeup routine but I just completely forgot. We've just had a hotel breakfast. It was lovely though, it was so nice. They're really good like gluten-free wise. They gave me like different options and stuff, so that was really good. The shower was amazing. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing a really simple grey hoodie from Boohoo and then these pretty little thing. They're like exposed seam flares with just my Vans as well. And then I'm wearing my coat. And then, oh my god, let me show you. Let me show you my new hat. Do you like my new hat? I'm obsessed. It's just from Primark, it's £5. Sunday in Germany is very different to the UK because everything basically shuts on a Sunday. So like if you run out of food or you're cooking something and you need like ingredients, you're screwed because none of the shops are open. We're having a bit of a different day and we're just going to go to like museums, a bit more of a chilled one because today's our last full day. So
God. It's a bit
The cathedral with its 100.
End of Cologne. We're leaving in the next hour. Our train's not until 11:45, but we're gonna go to a couple of shops before then. Long journey ahead of us. Let's begin this journey.